Hi everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are doing great. My name is Narendra and welcome back to Be10x. Today we are diving into a crucial topic for anyone working with financial data or interested in understanding how interest payments are calculated in Microsoft Excel. We are using IPMT function. Before we move forward, I would like to tell you that Be10x is offering an exclusive workshop on Microsoft Office using AI tools. The link is in the description. We'll talk more about it later in the video.
Working professionals, are you using Excel, Power BI, PowerPoint or Word in your day-to-day life? What if I tell you that you're wasting 95% of your time while you're doing so? How so, you will be asking me? Because you're not using Chat GPT and AI tools while doing all of these work.
So what exactly is the IPMT function in Excel and how does it work? So to know about this function, we are going to use Chat GPT. As you can see, we got the output. So here IPMT stands for interest payment. Okay, so IPMT function is a financial function commonly used in spreadsheet software like Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets. IPMT stands for interest payment and it calculates the interest portion of a loan or investment payment for a given period. So here is a syntax for IPMT function. So which includes first one is rate, the interest rate for a loan or investment. Next one is period, the period for which you want to calculate the interest payment. Next one is NPER, the total number of payment periods. Next we have PV, the present value or the initial amount of the loan or investment. Then we have FV, the future value for a cash balance after the last payment is made. So this is optional. Then we have type, the timing of payments, either 0 for the end of the period or 1 for the beginning of the period. This is also optional. So here is one example. For instance, if you add a loan with an annual interest rate of 5%, a term of 5 years, and a principal amount of 10,000, you could use the IPMT function to find out how much interest you are paying in a specific period, say the first month. So using this function, we can find the interest we are paying in the first month. So this formula would calculate the interest portion of the payment for the first month of a 5 years loan with a 5% annual interest rate and a principal amount of 10,000. What I'm going to do is, I'm going to take example of Mahindra XUV 700 and Mahindra Thar. So we are going to take the loan amount and we are going to calculate the interest for the first month. So before that, I would like to tell you one important thing which all of you need to understand. AI is taking over the world in such a short span of time. We have seen so many layoffs, millions of jobs replaced by AI and whatnot. You don't want to get affected by this recession wave, right? Well, AI won't replace you, but the person using AI will. If you want to save your job and become irreplaceable in your career, join our 2-hour Microsoft Office using AI tools workshop, in which we will teach you about the best AI tools to upskill, increase your productivity, and enhance your career. Make your future secure with us. Join our workshop by clicking the link below in the description now. So back to our examples. So for example, if you are purchasing Mahindra XUV 700. So for this, let's check on-road price. So I'll just enter my city name. And we have a EMI calculator here. Just open that. And as you can see, bank interest rate is 9.8%. And we are paying 1,75,000 as a down payment. So here you can see the total loan amount will be 15,79,823. And the payable amount is 20,04,660. So we'll pay extra around 4,24,837. So this is the monthly EMI which we have to pay. So let's take this data and let's find out interest we're gonna pay in the first month. So let's do that. As you can see, IPMT of first one is the rate. So here interest rate is 9.8%. So 0.098. So per 12 months, right? Then PER means, here PER means the period for which you want to calculate the interest payment. So we want to calculate interest for first month. Then NPER, which means the total number of payment periods. So here you can see, so the loan period is 5 years. Here 5 into 12. Then PV. PV means the present value or the initial amount of the loan or investment. So here you can see the total loan amount is 15,79,823. So 15,79,823. So let's calculate the interest for the first month. As you can see, this is the interest which we're gonna pay in the first month. So in the same way, let's calculate interest for the Mahindra Thar. So let's see the on-road price. Then let's click on EMI calculator. And here you can see the so here also we are taking 9.8% as the interest, and the loan amount here is 12,75,817. So let's do this. IPMT of, so 0.098 by 12. Then here for the first month they want this. Then so 5 years the loan period is. That means 5 into 12 months. Then value here 12,75,817. So here you can see for Thar we are getting interest amount of 10,419. And that's it for this video. And there you have it, a comprehensive overview of the IPMT function works in Microsoft Excel. But before we wrap up, remember to leave a comment below if you found this video helpful, and don't forget to share it with your friends who might benefit from this knowledge. Also make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you will never miss out our latest content. Also, do like, comment, share the video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such informative videos. Also, do check out our workshop link in the description. We'll see you there. Thank you.